My name is Akyuz. I'm the Executive Director of Connected Intelligence and the lead mobile analyst at MPD IRI. I want to spend a few minutes today talking about some of the latest trends we're seeing in the mobile landscape prior to CES 2023. MPD recently launched its annual holiday shopping study, and to no surprise, smartphones were one of the few product categories in which consumers reported a higher purchase appetite from last year. 14% of US consumers have cited intention in buying a new smartphone during the 2022 holiday shopping season, despite the inflationary environment with higher cost of spending on essentials and other merchandises. This increased appetite is a direct result of wireless carriers' aggressive subsidies on smartphones. Carriers are offering these attractive deals to suppress customer churn as well as accelerate the migration of their customers from 4G networks to the more cost-efficient 5G networks. Today, close to half of postpaid users are on 5G networks, and carrier subsidies will slowly decline as 5G adoption grows. Now, it is important to remember that carriers account for over two-thirds of the smartphone sales in the United States, and they are not in this market to sell devices. They monetize their networks and use the device, the smartphone, as the carrot to either retain customers or gain new subscribers. The recent extension of device financing programs from 24 months to 36 months, on top of the $1,000 trading credits offered on high-end smartphones, are putting a lot of pressure on mobile carriers' bottom lines. And add to this the intensified competition driven by cable operators, mobile carriers will at some point need to pull their feet off the pedal and cut down on device subsidies. If the economic headwinds get stronger in 2023, we will also be seeing a reversal of the postpaid to prepaid migration we have been observing for the last several years. This shift unquestionably lowers service revenues, which are essential in financing carriers' device subsidy operations. While we're not expecting the magnitude of this shift to be as big as the one we saw during the last recession, any notable drop in revenue will force carriers to reevaluate their subsidy programs. Now, just a quick note here that prepaid carriers had their bases grow by almost 30% year over year in the 2009 recession, but the market dynamics, especially the price difference between postpaid and prepaid plans, are quite different today. Therefore, we believe that the magnitude will not be as big as the one we've seen before. All in all, 2002 has been the year of inflation, but smartphones have so far been inflation proof as wireless carriers, with support from some of their OEM partners, ensured that we could all get our hands on the latest flagship models either for free or by investing very little after a device trade-in. Now let's hope the inflation starts easing soon because we will very much need that when the smartphone subsidy tide begins to turn in 2023.